Have you just purchased a new Google Home Assistant device, like the Google Home Mini here, but you're not happy with the sound of your music playing on it? Well, fear not. If you've got an existing stereo or home theater system, or even a wireless speaker system that has an analog input, you're in luck. So there are no actual analog outputs on any of the Google Home devices, which is unfortunate. Would be a nice feature. But Google has something called Chromecast, and Chromecast will allow you to send audio or even audio and video to any device wirelessly that's on the same home network as your Google Home Assistant. So all you have to do, if you just want audio, is pick up a Chromecast Audio. It's this little device here, and it has a little 3.5mm audio jack. And if you're connecting to an existing stereo receiver amplifier that has RCA inputs, you just need a cable that converts a 3.5mm jack into stereo RCA. Simply plug one end into the Chromecast Audio and the other into an unused auxiliary or CD input on your stereo or your receiver. If your audio device, maybe it's a wireless speaker that has an analog input, has a 3.5mm jack on it, you simply need a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. Now, if you have a full home theater receiver, you might think of getting a Chromecast or a Chromecast Ultra instead of a Chromecast Audio. Now, you'll need a free HDMI input because the normal Chromecast only has an HDMI connection. But the benefit is that not only can you play music, you can tell your Google Home Assistant to play videos from any of your video libraries. It's really convenient, and it can sound, frankly, just as good as anything else you play on your big home stereo.